tanging bass. Bagaman you can hear? Okay, importante lang para matabunan ka boses na bagay masagarap na. Okay, first line. Sing and please, don't show it. Don't show it. Okay. Maupay na sing.
Maupay na.
Good. This is very nice. Kaya damo ito nakatangani, kinsusubali timbre tak boses. Now, ayaw pagunahuna lalakit na ito do. Now, mo to super batet boses. No. Automatic they will sing octave from your voice. They're designed for that. Octave. Pero yung boses yun octave from my voice. Now, another thing I'm going to tell you, dapat may niyo sakto nga guide iti yung pitch range. Kaya kung susundon hikbata iti yung garhob na adult pitch range, itunog Sharon Cuneta. Di ba? Nakagawa, ang bata mga kanta, di ba? Bagahamu mo kanta sa ira. Kaya no, may pitch range hikbata. Ang bata. Dapat susunod. Ay kang paggamit iti yung buwan ng wika yung mga Sharon Pogita ng mga version. Look for Lea Salonga, ano taas na pitches. Ayaw naman, Colidesma, alto, ito yung dito pang bata. Okay na tayo. Pero kids, please, gabi na grade 1, please. Now, ginamit na pitch range is designed for grade 1. I hope I can give you, after I will mag-record, after my sister's asking me, can you make a book of your songs and record it so you can, will be out din man ako to write things. Sige. Maupay na adlaw sampay. Sing it.
Maupay na adlaw sampay.
That's the first line. Hinaot na ikaw. Sing.
Hinaot na ikaw.
Next.
Mamalipay.
Second line. Hinaot na ikaw. Mamalipay. Reach your hand.
Hinaot na ikaw. Mamalipay.
Sing it. Now, children will never mind if your time signature is 2/4, 4/4, 3/4. I don't teach theory in my music class. Before I do. My first Pioneer Angelicum, makalilisan ako ng estudyante. They're even better than cum laude student in LNU right now. They can read musical notes, everything. But I changed it. Kaya pag high school nila LTI or secondary, origami. Mura man nasa LTI. Isa Roland Kaliha, di man tututu. Batik-batik ng music. Di ba? Isa manok sa rapotan man. Sayaw natin sa manok dito. Pero mga pwede, mag-GT na Bernadas. Eh, magpananuna ka, may masalo